Intro for ISO 22301 Internal Auditor Training. We at Traibcert are recognized as an independent certification body, having under our administration a canopy of esteemed industry clientele located in diverse geographical regions spanning the international spectrum. This internal auditor training program forms the basis to comply to the needs which would emanate a source of impeccable understanding of ISO 22301 2019 standard. Are you aware of the requirements or not? The principal focus of this training program is to enhance knowledge on ISO 22301 2019 standard inevitabilities, empowering the teams to contribute their respective services to ascertain the eventualities of implementing the standard in a smooth and efficacious manner. The training program modules are designed and uniquely formulated to elevate the study capabilities of the staff in multiple operational departments. Similar to managerial designations pertaining to operational heads, financial head, business continuity technician, business continuity managers, purchase teams, human resource, marketing or sales, service delivery, logistics, operation teams, and for team members inside the business continuity management circle or department. To improve your career or role or knowledge on the standard, we have introduced additional training programs to suit your budgets and conveniently fabricated to meet your specific demands. Awareness course 8 hours. The training modules will be slide effective and demonstrative, whose content will be exhibited on the screen for durations of 3 or 6 or 9 minutes respectively. A few seconds will be allocated for the participants to read through the slide and note down vital and important information. This will be followed by an explicit orientation by our expert tutors to simplify procedures for your instant comprehension. Sufficient time will be allotted to clarify your complicated doubts. You can register now. Kindly click on the Add to Cart button below to proceed further. Information is provided to complete an application form, accompanied by a payment procedure that requires being duly filled and submitted to avail these surplus courses. Our group training programs are designed to enhance the team's capability by enriching their knowledge on the standard and providing them an insight of better understanding of the standard requirement to make the implementation process smooth. The certificates for group training participants can be downloaded after the HR submits the essential evidence. Contact us now for your group training requirements or write to us on training@traibcert.com and avail fabulous discount. With natural and human cost disruptions continuing to impact significantly on the British and global economy, the arrival of a new international standard for business continuity could not be timelier. ISO 22301 Societal Security Business Continuity Management Systems Requirements was published by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) on 16th May 2012, and seeks to provide organizations with guidelines for the adequate and fit-for-purpose implementation of Business Continuity Management Systems (BCMS). Introduction of this standard should provide organizations and their partners and stakeholders with common language, processes, and objectives to meet the business resiliency challenges of the 21st century. What is ISO 22301? ISO 22301 provides a single reference point for defining business continuity management. It is an evolution of the British standard for BCM, BS 25999, and represents the global version of it. As an ISO rather than a BS, ISO 22301 will have international legitimacy and global appeal. The impacts and benefits for different sizes and types of organization will vary. ISO 22301 may replace BS 25999 Part 2 at the end of 2012. BS 25999 Part 2 is the specification part of the British Standard for Business Continuity Management, by which organizations can seek certification, whereas BS 25999 Part 1 is the Code of Practice, the Statement of Best Practice Methodology. Introducing the latest international requirements standard for business continuity management, BS ISO 22301 specifies the requirements for setting up and managing an effective business continuity management system, BCMS, for any organization, regardless of type or size. Business continuity contributes to the development of a more resilient society. Organizations without an effective BCMS in place risk significant vulnerability and the resulting impact on their employees, customers, and suppliers. BS ISO 22000 gives your organization access to the requirements of a BCMS that will enable your organization to prepare for disruptive incidents that might otherwise prevent you from achieving your objectives. The standard can be used to assess an organization's ability to meet its own continuity needs and obligations and establish a business continuity management policy that provides a framework for implementing effective business continuity arrangements. Gain complete confidence. In common with other management system standards, BS ISO 22301 is based on the Plan, Do, Check, Act model that seeks to improve continually the effectiveness of the organization through proficient planning, implementation, supervision, review, and maintenance. The BS ISO 22301 specifies the requirements to identify crucial risk factors already affecting your organization, understand your organization's needs and obligations, establish, implement, and maintain your BCMS, measure your organization's overall capability to manage disruptive incidents, guarantee conformity with stated business continuity policy.